Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader, and in this particular video we will see one more price action breakout which is happening live in the market. So for example, if you see here, this is the Coforge stock. Okay, you can type Coforge here. So in this particular stock, if you see, the stock was moving around from 22nd of April. It is moving in the same range, creating a resistance zones. So each area was getting reflected here, and it was taking a support slowly, and the support was going higher and higher, and finally today it has broken on a 1 hour chart. If you see, morning it was staying in the same range. Later the stock has already spiked up with a higher volume, so a big volume candle can be seen over here, post which a lot of people have entered in this particular stock and taken advantage of buying. Even now a lot of investors may look into the stocks movement and may enter in taking some scalping amount here. Remember, the stock has gone more than 16% here. So the upper circuit has been updated. The current upper circuit is around 3471. Okay, the stock is trading in a good high value. If you see overall, this is the highest value of this stock. So if I put 1 day chart, this is the 52-week high also, and it is sliding on this. You see this, it has already broken this resistance also. This is a channel where which it can touch, come down, touch, come down. Like I'm just telling you, overall for short term trading, it can take the support line, down levels, up levels, down levels, up levels. Okay, today it has broken the upside level also. We will see end of the day if it is still sustaining or if people are going to take advantage. Now also, if you see in 1 hour chart also, there is a lot of advantage a lot of people are taking. It has just touched 3400, today's high, whereas today's I think they have kept the overall to 20% as upper circuit maybe. So from 10% it has updated to 20%. So 3471 is the limit for today, 3471. So let's see how this works in short term. Again, like I told you, in Lupin and Sun Pharma, these are the bullish stock where investors are investing. There can be a profit booking also happening end of the day, or maybe tomorrow whenever it opens gap up or gap down. For example, Lupin was a bullish stock, gap up, it opens like this, it opens gap up, and like I told you, profit booking can take place. As soon as a profit booking can take place, we can, as a scalper, you can take advantage towards the sell side. So that is the reason on a bullish stock which is trending, basically we try to take advantage either upside or downside depending on the market. Morning, if you see, Nifty also was going down, profit bookings were happening. So that was a golden opportunity to look into our top stocks which we had kept in our radar. Even Sun Pharma went down, Lupin went down, and Hindu Petro also would have gone down in the morning. Later it has gone up and down, and it is sustaining. Okay, so shorting opportunities were there in these stocks along with the market movement in the morning. Now the market is turning, coming to the same levels and trading the same level. Anyways, Coforge has broken out its levels. I was tracking on 1 hour chart. So if you see, this is the 1 hour chart, and it has finally broken out, and this was a confirmation candle, this one. Okay, because sometimes what will happen, it goes up and it comes down and stays within, the body stays within this range which it stood till now. So that time it's a false signal, but in this case it broke out. So a lot of traders took an advantage here and here. So this is the resistance zone for 1 day candle which I drew, which you saw. This is the area I've just drawn randomly touching these points. So if it is staying above that, then it has more potential to go up, or they can get it below this levels also, so that it will sustain within the 1 day candle range, this channel. Okay, so this is just a learning again. Okay, some price actions I'm showing you live example. You can put it in your list and keep observing this movement of these stocks. If you see on 1 day chart, it has given a big breakout, so that is a sign that a lot of people will come in and enter. But remember, again, profit booking can happen tomorrow. So that time what will happen, scalpers will short the stock. If market is negative, the stock is coming down, we will short either in 1 hour time frame. Whichever breakout happens, we will try to short it like how it happened in Lupin the previous day. Okay, so it has come down to these levels. Anyways, keep observing, keep learning. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.